guys, welcome back to my channel again, and today, as you can see in the title down below, I will be sharing with you guys my June to July favorites. So yes, hindi ako gumawa ng favorite ko nung nung June kasi, di ba? Hindi naman ako papalit-palit kasi ng products. So yes, I will be sharing with you guys the things that I have been loving for 2 months. So let's get started. By the way, if you're a first timer here in this channel, please click the subscribe button and the bell button after subscribing for you to be notified whenever I upload my videos and for you to get updated. You can also follow me in my Instagram and in my Facebook page. The first one is this Jordana lip liner, and it's the one that I'm using right now. So eto, nandito na siya kanina pang 11 a.m. and ano ng oras ngayon? 4 p.m. na. So yes, and the shade is this. Let me just, oh, very pigmented talaga siya, guys. That is the color right there. It's in the shade Hot Fuchsia. And another one that I have been loving is this Wet n Wild Mega Lust in the shade Red My Mind. So that is the shade right there. And pag nagda-dry na siya, nagiging matte na siya. So that is the shade. This is the shade here. So let's move on to our brows. And the first one that I have been loving for my brows is the one that Sis Tracy gave to me during sa first swap namin. So this is the Naked 7. Ito siya SG. Look at it. Oh my gosh. Yung Wet n Wild, guys. Pumunta na sa kamay ko. So this is the Naked 7 na retractable siya. Ayan. So ayan siya. Tapos meron siya circular, how do you, cylindrical shape na na brush for the brows. So in the shade, I don't know what is the shade of this. Number 2. Ayan. Ito yung nasa brows ko ngayon. Medyo light lang siya kasi 'di ba, nag-darken na yung hair ko. So that is the shade. Ayan, yun yung nasa brows ko. Medyo, maganda to, guys, kasi waterproof talaga siya. Naghilamos na ako at lahat, gumanon na ako. Hindi pa rin natatanggal. So, dapat talaga pag sinabon mo siyang ganun. Kaya maganda yan pang tag-ulan. So, yes. Thank you, Sis Tracy. And the next one that she gave me is the Etude House na Color My Brown na brown mascara, and medyo light lang din siya pero sakto sa binigay niya na shade ng Naked 7. So the shade is this. Ayan siya. So ayan, so very nice lang siya kasi talagang nagstay yung mga brows ko, yung mga hair niya nagstay talaga siya. So I'm really loving that one. So let's move on to the eyes. Ito yung mga ginagamit ko for my lashes. This is the Lancome na base mascara. So, ilalagay mo muna siya sa lashes mo para magkaroon ng mas makapal na texture yung lashes mo. Tapos, titigas siyang ganon. Tapos, ilalagay mo naman yung Lancome na mascara na ang kanyang wand ay parang ganito lang siya. Very simple lang. Tapos, parang mga sample size lang itong mga to. So, very nice for traveling. So, gusto ko talaga itong mga to. Kasi, diba, hindi nga ako nagko-curl ng lashes ko. So, nagle-lift talaga and nag-volumize and nalilengthen yung aking mga lashes. For my eyes, eto din yung nandito ngayon sa eyes ko. Though, meron kasi siyang shiny finish. Hindi siya kagaya nung mga ibang nagamit ko na eyeliners, liquid liners. This is also from Etude House na binigay din ni Sis Tracy. If you haven't watched that swap video yet, I will just put the link down below. Sobrang saya ng swap namin. So, yes. And this is ganito yung tip niya. Ayan, guys. Ganyan ang tip. Yan. Pack na pack, diba? Tapos, ang ganda niya is wipe. Super duper pigmented talaga. This is the Maybelline New York Expert Wear Eyeshadow Hash Tints. So, meron siyang 8 crease-free hours and yes, yan. Matte lang yung mga shadows niya. Ito, bigay ko ng tita ko. Hindi ko alam kung nasan na yung applicator niya. So, it has 8 shades. Tapos, parang neutral lang na may shade of green and violet and blue. So, parang very neutral lang siya. Ayan. And the next one that I have been loving are these two for my face. Ayan. Kung nakita nyo na yung Lancome and MK na haul ko, yung mga ganon, I will just put the link down below. You've seen this one in my haul video. This is the Lancome Blush Subtle Rose Fresque. Ito yung shade niya. Ito yung nasa akin ngayon. Very neutral lang siya, pang everyday wear. So, gustong-gusto ko siya. Everyday ko siya ginagamit. Pag feel ko mag-makeup, lumabas. Hindi kasi ako everyday na nag-makeup. So, and the one that I have been using for my contour, pang contour siya ng face ko. Kasi ayoko nang bumili ng contouring kit lang siya. Ganun. Gusto ko kasi yung mga product, yung parang dual use siya. Pwede mo siyang gamitin ng ganito. Though hindi ito pang contour, this is blush. Also, but in the shade Evening Affair. So, very dark siya. So, bongga siya na pang contour. So, like that. Like that. So, yan yung pinang-contour ko. Kunyaring contour lang yan, girl. Kunyari lang. Yes. So, I've been loving that one. And of course, for my lips, ayan. Ito yung favorite ko na lip balm talaga. Mula nung na-try ko na tong lip balm na to, I've been using this every time. So, parang pangalawa ko na to, naubos ko na yung violet. Hindi pa ubos, pero meron pang konti na lang. So, this one is in the flavor strawberry. This is the macaron lip balm from Careline. So, very soft. Kung naghahanap kayo ng lip balm para sa inyong dry lips, ayan, lalo na kung gustong-gusto nyong nagsusot ng matte lipsticks, head on to your local drugstore shop or sa Watsons, and you can buy this one for only 80 or 90 pesos. Ayan siya. Tapos ang cute-cute niya. Super duper cute. Parang macaron. Ayan. So, at ang sarap niya. So, gustong-gusto din ni Bebe Kills. And the next one for my face are these sponges. You will not believe kung saan ko to nabili, ha. In fairness, nabili ko lang to sa Novo kasi naghahanap ako ng, parang maghanap lang ko ng mga something, and then nakita ko tong mga sponges na to. This is the heart shape na sponge. Ayan. Ayan. So, very super duper soft. Though hindi siya nag-expand pag nabasa na siya, pero super duper soft, tapos hindi siya masyadong matakaw sa product. So, yan na. I'm really loving this. Though, isa pa lang yung nagamit ko kasi hindi naman ako masyadong may makeup, diba? Sabi ko na. I'm really loving those. And of course, for my hair, yan, yung hair ko na ayaw umayos. Tapos, ayoko naman kasing nagka-curling iron or nagpa-flat iron kasi sabi ko, diba, I wanna make my hair as healthy as I can, and ayokong gamitan siya muna ng heat. And, ayoko munang magpa-reband or anything. Parang mga treatment lang para mabuhay ulit siya. Kasi, diba, ang dry na niya. Sobra. So, I've been using this Vitreous Hair Repair para lang ma-tame yung mga strands ng hair ko. Though, ngayon hindi ko to gamit. So, let's move on to the hygiene part of this favorite. So, ito, gustong-gusto ko na talaga itong Kojisan na sabon kasi naglalighten talaga yung mga blemishes ko at kailangan ko siya ngayon kasi yung mga pimples ko, di ba? Ang dami ngayon. Ayan, nado-dry niya yung mga pimples ko, tsaka nalalighten niya yung mga blemishes ko. And of course, together with that, para matanggal yung, kasi after mong gamitin yan, parang magbabalat ka eh. So, I usually use this one, pero hindi ito, parang nakasil pa to. Iba yung nasa banyo ko, pero ganito din. So, I have been using the Watsons Whitening Milk and Salt Scrub. I have been loving also the Palmolive Naturals Body Wash Calming Moisture. Ayan, hindi ako masyado into flower scent, pero ito kasi nakakaano siya, nakakatawag nito, nakaka-relax after ng duty. So, I'm really loving this one. And for the last one na ginagamit ko, maybe nakita nyo na rin sa vlog ko na ginamit ko to. Hindi naman ako masyadong nag-vlog, but I've been loving this kasi naubusan ako ng Maxipin na toner ko, yung pang pore tightener na toner. So, I went back to my favorite. Ito, hiningi ko na naman kay mama ko. This is the Clinique Clarifying Lotion number 2. So, parang ano siya, kasi may 3-step skincare. So, ito yung step 2 nila ng Clinique. Pang exfoliate. So, that's all that I got for my June and July favorites. Sobrang bilis lang ng araw. August na naman. So, yes. Birthday ko na! Magpapag-giveaway ako. Mini-giveaway lang, guys. So, yun. If you're interested, you can hit the bell button for you to be notified whenever I upload videos. At saka, pwede rin kayong mag-like sa Facebook page ko, tsaka sa Instagram page ko. I-follow nyo rin ako doon. So, JoyOfMia, lahat ng account name ko. So, yun. I'll see you guys in my next video. And thank you so much sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So, yeah, bye!
Kill 'em with kindness. Kill 'em with kindness. Kill 'em with kindness.